SITC Machinery Concrete Mixer Truck, the backbone of any road construction project. Built for heavy-duty road construction, the truck's high-capacity drum and advanced technology deliver the perfect mix every time. Our concrete mixer truck ensures the perfect mix and even distribution, reducing delays and maximizing productivity on site. Save valuable time and increase your project's productivity with our efficient concrete mixer truck. Designed for strength and reliability, SITC Machinery's concrete mixer truck guarantees a durable, long-lasting road surface. Contact SITC Machinery now